Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Look at this beautiful hotel. And let me tell you the story of this place. So, this place is called Eureka Inn, trademark by Wyndham, or maybe, yes. And this is the hotel room. So I never take care of renting hotel and things. It's my family taking care of it. And he searched the hotel along the California coast and found this hotel. There is actually another hotel or a sleepover place that is a pink lady. We will see it a little bit later. See, the telephone still functioning. So this is kind of a boutique antique hotel, and it's a historical trademark. And inside it's quite convenient, internet, Wi-Fi, and mostly because we find this place from online searching. The picture looks so beautiful. A little bit later you will see the courtyard or the entrance. Here I am sitting in the entrance and doing a voice over. So this in front of you is the corridor. There is elevator, and there is also a way that you can go through the staircase. So I always walk through the staircase. And this is inside the room, and oh, so good bedding, and outside there is a swimming pool, but it's too cold to swim. Anyway, it's just such a fun place. So this hotel was built in 1922, and with Eureka is near a bay, and also there was a train built, and train stopped there, and there is always. We just came back from the redwood forest, and the city has business booming up. There is a demand for building a hotel, so the city and the people together, they made fund, they made some bond, or anyway, the financial method. They gathered enough money and made this hotel. So the hotel opened in 1922, and it was quite a ceremony to open it up, to see the opening ceremony, and a lot of dignitaries, people have lived here, including Winston Churchill in 1929. Reagan, President Reagan, lived here. Has I think that is Robert Kennedy has been here, and another First Lady, Lou Henry Hoover, Hoover. I know I think Lou Henry Hoover, First Lady Hoover, was because she studied at Stanford University, and I have been to the Hoover Tower in Stanford University and saw her. So she has been here. And Lady Bird Johnson, there is a trail in the Redwood Forest, National Redwood National Park. There is a trail by Lady Bird Johnson, and Steven Spielberg also has been here. And Steven Spielberg made the Jurassic Park, the movie, and some of the scene was actually from the Red Forest. And a lot of dignitaries, a lot of other Shirley Temple, Disney, Walter Disney, and some I do not know name, but they are the people who has lived here has a picture hanging there, and not me. That is silly, right? Yanghaiying live here does not make a difference. Anyway, the interior decoration is also very, very stylish, classic, and they had. Right now, I am seeing it, the old style wood furniture, the redwood. Of course, this is a redwood forest, and at that time, logging was not banned. Now, there is no logging in the national park, and at that time, this was before the ban of the logging, so a lot of this huge, beautiful redwood made this hotel. And there is a crystal chandelier. What else? There is very stylish furnitures and carpet. Just very, very stylish and beautiful. I am very, very happy to witness a part of history and see it. And outside you can see this is a two-door style, English two-door style. I know this name Twodoor is because when we lived in Australia, we did some rental hunting. We lived in Australia for 4 years, and so we looked for rental house, and there was one rental house, and it is said that is two-door style. So that was the first time heard about this two-door style. Now I start to pay attention. Two-door style, there is not something too unique. That is from my impression or from my understanding, is that the outside white or white wall with these wood panels, a little bit like you feel very old English pub, old English kind of a style, and it's just very, very, very classy style, and I think it's just perfect for making a hotel. And the lobby the lobby area is roomy, and spacious and very tall ceiling. And behind me there is a chimney, and I think it's a real fire. It must be real fire. Used to be. Now I don't think there is any real fire. This must be the fire that is using gas or use modern chimney, but still you can see the fire flame. And that's about it. So that was Churchill, Winston Churchill, and this one is Robert Kennedy, and he has lived here in 1968. And this one I do not know, maybe some sports personality. And this is Shirley Temple, has lived here and has spent time here. Oh, Reagan, Nancy Reagan, and Lady Bird Johnson, and Steven Spielberg. Oh, see, this is the fire. And the hotel, the reception, she is very kind. You sit here, she does not bother you. She gives you a smile and not, and you feel you are coming to a place that you feel comfortable, you feel part of it, but nothing more than that. And just very, very comfortable. And I went to ask her if she can turn down a little bit of the music, and she turned it down, and so that I can do a voice over here. And I'm very grateful. People are kind. So this time our travel is from our home in San Francisco Bay Area, and we drove the highway number 5. We went to Oregon until Portland, and then we went to the Pacific Coast, Highway 101, all the way down. And this is the last night. Tomorrow I am heading home, and there is something a little bit unfortunate. This is Easter weekend. It's not that unfortunate, it's Easter weekend. It's Easter weekend. a lot of places closed. Some of the museum or some of the business closed. So it's more of a family thing, and so we will not go too much to the museum. We will go as much as we can, but just take it easy and enjoy beautiful redwood, beautiful coastline. A little bit cold. The wind is quite strong. Maybe today is a particular colder day, but all in all, with the chimney, with this fine place, I enjoy very much. There is just so much story. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo bye bye.